In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank accounts to Google Pay. We'll walk through the process using the web version, which is clear and straightforward. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to complete verification so your bank account is ready for payments and transfers. First, open your web browser and head to the Google Payment Center. This is the hub where Google manages your wallet and pay settings on the web. Make sure you're on a secure, trusted network, especially since you'll be dealing with financial information. Next, sign in with the same Google account that's linked to your Google Pay profile. If you use multiple Google accounts, glance at the profile picture in the top corner to confirm you're in the right one. If not, switch accounts before moving on so the new bank account lands in the correct profile. Once you're in, look for the Payment Methods tab in the navigation. This page shows any cards or bank accounts you've already saved. It's also where you can view defaults, remove old methods, and add new ones. Click the Add Payment Method button. You'll see a few choices for adding different types of payment options. From those options, select Add Bank Account or Add a Bank Account. If you see card options alongside bank options, be sure to pick the bank account path for this setup. From here, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your account. Google typically offers one of two flows. In some regions, you may be able to sign into your bank securely and connect instantly. In others, you might be asked to enter your routing number and account number and then confirm small test deposits. If you're using micro deposits, check your bank activity over the next day or two, then return to confirm the exact amounts. Whichever method you see, make sure your name and account details match your bank records and double check every digit before submitting to avoid delays. A quick but important note, adding a bank account to Google Pay or Google Wallet isn't available in all regions. If you don't see the bank account option, your country, your account type, or your bank may not be supported yet. Once your verification is complete, your bank account will appear under payment methods. You can set it as your default for transfers and eligible payments. For security, never share one-time codes and sign out if you're on a shared device. That's it. Your bank account is now added to Google Pay and you're ready to use it with confidence.